It's Friday.
Hey.
Good morning.
I look real intelligent coming in there.
Just shocked. It is Friday at 1 p.m. What a week. I'm gonna be taking you guys for a tour of what's going on in our shop right now. Super brief walk around, I think. I'll show you a few of the builds. Mostly gonna show you what's going on with our shop changes. As referenced a few videos ago, I talked a little bit about what's going on with our business, and we are currently purchasing this shop. Deal's going through right now. So that means lots of renovations are started. So we're moving offices upstairs. There'll be a window right up there. That'll be my little window. We're gonna have more storage down below where our offices currently are. What else is going on? We have mezzanine. We have an architect drawing up a mezzanine structure. That's gonna give us about another 1,200 square feet of storage. What else are we doing? Oh, there's just so many projects going on in the shop right now. All focused around getting more space. Right now the boys are freaking out a little bit because we are stacking things on things on things and we are out of room. Lots of work, so that's a positive, no complaints there. We just need to figure out our square footage issue, and we have to do that quickly. So once we take possession of the shop, we'll also be gaining possession of about another 1,000 square foot garage. I think some cats have been living in it over the winter, so I don't even know if that's usable. Bottom line, lots of construction. I'm gonna show you guys that in this week's video, and then we'll be back to regular updates, build updates, all the work going on in our shop next week. All right, here we go. Okay, first, since I'm out here, let's take you guys for a little tour of the vintage bus. Again, that's this cutie. What a face on her. Don't have a name yet. The original was Rosebud, and the sticker is still there, so it might just become Rosebud again. Okay, new headliner going in. Right now that's all foam. New carpet going in. New upholstery on the seats. New daybed got added up front. Painted the walls. Dinette's getting a facelift. Leaving the original parquet floors, of course. Basically just a facelift going on in here. Okay, let's start with the office development going on. It's crazy what a white wall does. Look at all that work. So that closed off our offices from the shop. If you guys remember, that used to be just open mezzanine at the top. Not anymore. All right, now it goes this way. So this is office door. Okay, I'm now upstairs in the new office. Look at all that space. So right now it's getting doubled as a bit of a paint room. Caught John with his pants up, luckily. So John is doing a little bit of clear coating. Is this going for the medical?
Medical van, everything here from the medical.
This is going in the special medical project that I can't share too many details about yet. Okay, now that all the sheets are gone up here, this is gonna be boardroom, right behind me. This will be office, kitchen, our offices all here. And then if we take you guys around the corner. Okay, so now in this side, right here, that's gonna be TV, lounge, whatever you want to call it. And then this will be Mitchell's office. So it's finally coming together. Boys have been putting some extra hours into the shop. We're excited to get up here because, like I said, we are out of room. I don't even know if I want to show you guys this, but take a look. Out of room. Okay, now to dive into the mezzanine structure. So that is going up. I've kind of briefly touched on it. This, okay, how can I? So the mezzanine will be going down the whole length of our shop. It's gonna run about 100 feet. So it's gonna go from here all the way down to that wall. And it'll be about as wide as this railing. So much more space, and we need it like yesterday. Once again, if anybody needs a roof, a camper topper, come buy this right now. Come get it out of here.
They're gonna need to come, I don't know how, they're gonna have to come measure that because
So one of the things we're most excited for is underneath the mezzanine, so about 8 feet up here. We're gonna have all our vac hoses, air hoses, electrical, more lighting. Everything's gonna be off the floor. No one's gonna be tripping. OH&S is gonna be pumped. What did we get now?
We got a door, some other things.
More things that we just don't have room for.
comments, see if there are any, because I made two, but I don't, how do I look at them?
I bet you didn't save.
I did.
I wrote on there, damn.
I just went done, and what else is there to do?
It tricks you, man. You hit, once you're done, watch, like type your message.
Yeah, because I did this, Lori done. Or maybe I didn't hit send. Son of a gun, you put too many damn things in here.
It's 2 buttons for some reason. Like done should save it, but then there's a save button.
Look at that, it showed up.
There you go.